Let's talk about waxing sticks, and you can call them spatulas, depends, they're all wooden and we got different sizes. So let's talk about how we can use which part of the body, what's the difference, and yeah. So let's see what we got here. I put some samples of each spatula I got. They're all wooden, made from wood. This is what we use for waxing, hard wax or soft wax. So here I have big spatula. Usually we use this for body part because you can grab a lot of wax with it, either soft, either hard. This small one, it's a bit soft, flexible, as you can see, and this one we can use nicely for small parts of the face. I would use for eyebrows typically. This has specific angle, which is great for application on upper lip, on eyebrows, and small part of the face as well. This kind of, it's similar to that one, but what the difference, it's more solid. It's not that flexible as the other one, more thicker and a bit, well, it's the same actually length, but yeah, this one more solid. Then we have orange stick. Usually technicians would use for manicure or pedicure, but we also can use it successfully for the waxing. I would use this for eyebrows, would give me definition, no extra wax would need it. So great tool for eyebrows or nostrils and nose, right? So we have long one and we have similar, exactly actually the same, just smaller, yeah, more flexible. And then the last one but not least, it's a similar to the big spatula, but it's small one, great for upper lip, for eyebrows, and for full face. So if you have someone with small, gentle face, delicate face, you can use this one as well. So I will use the biggest spatula. Usually we use this for big part of the body. Let me show you, just roll it in. Grab as much as you need it. If it's arms, you don't need too much, but if it's legs, definitely you will need more. And spread all the wax, you don't need to waste. Yeah, great application. Let's wait till it's dry. And remove safely. So let's try this long one. I would use for eyebrows. So just grab a bit, not too much, as eyebrows very small area. And just for demo, I will show you on my hand. Make it thicker so not to stick to the skin. Very good for a hard wax or soft wax, I would use it. The next one, I think it would be beautiful and great for application on upper lip because it has this angle and it's pretty solid. So I would use it for upper lip. Let's try. Just a small amounts, a bit of pressure, spray, as we would work on the upper lip, and reapply to the other side as well. Would be great. Yeah, great tool. The next one is similar to the thinner one. They're actually the same, just this one a bit more thicker, as you can see. This one's thinner, so I won't do this, just to show you that there is difference. And then I will grab the long one and we'll use just the corner, just one of the ends, because one is more sharp and one is cut in the angle. Just gonna be great for application. Just a small amount, and let's do it. Perfect. It'll be great for eyebrows. Yeah. So this stick and this one are exactly the same. The difference is it's a length. So it depends on what you like, how you're comfortable to manipulate with the sticks. That's what you would choose. And last but not least, it's a classic spatula, wooden, medium size. Great for eyebrows, for upper lip, and any small part of the body or face. Usually this one for the face. So let's try this one. very little amounts. I will spread it a bit wider on my arm. So yeah, this one would be great for faces, eyebrows, hard wax, soft wax. Great tool. Yeah, perfect application. Can use this one as well for my fingers. Small amounts. Here not enough, so I will just turn it and take a bit more, just to complete my fingers. And voila. A bit of soothing cream I will apply to complete my service and try on to hydrate my skin after waxing. Yeah, so tell me which one you like, which one do you use? They're all useful, all great product and tool that we definitely as a waxers need it all the time. Tell me your thoughts about it. Thank you.